Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by In the Money Stocks. My name is Nick Santiago. Today is October 15, 2015. It is safe to say earnings season is underway. But right now we have the S&P 500 E-mini futures trading higher by about 9 points. But you can see they have just come in pretty sharply, trading down to this 10-minute, 200 period moving average. All in all, futures were much higher a little while ago, but they have come tumbling back down. So it's going to be quite a trading day. Expect some volatility out here. Expect some movement. Options expiration is tomorrow for the month of October. That always means a lot of institutional game playing will go on. A lot of rumors out there. This company, that company, who's merging, who's buying who. It's usually all hogwash, but nonetheless, you will hear the rumors. So be prepared for everything. Yesterday was a whipsaw Wednesday, and today could be a whipsaw Thursday. So again, we'll see how this market plays out, but right now the futures are trading higher by 9 3/4 points to 1993.5 per contract. All right, let's get into some stocks here. We're going to start off with Netflix. Right off the bat, major tech stock right here. Stock is trading at 104.15. After the close yesterday, this stock plummeted below $94, now trading at 104.10. This will be on our radar once the opening bell rings. We will be watching Netflix for position levels. Okay, so we will be day trading this at some point today. Again, we're going to let it settle in, but it's been a wide range move here. So for this thing to test its lows again, it's got to go another 10 points lower. That's a big time move. So be prepared. Netflix is going to be in play today. They did report earnings yesterday. Stock closed, I believe, at 110. If I'm not mistaken, I think it was at around 110.23. Right now trading right around the 103.80 level. Did trade to 94 yesterday. So Netflix will be on the radar. Xilinx, XLNX is the ticker symbol. Semiconductor equipment play. This was trading a little bit higher earlier. Still trading decently higher now at 47.25. I have gap levels for this. So again, we will be playing the gap levels in the intraday stock chat room. They will be posted up at 9 a.m. So come on over if you want to trade the gaps with us right alongside of us. Gap levels will be posted up at 9 a.m. I think we have 4 or 5 gap plays today. Next one up is going to be BX, which is Blackstone Group. This is one of the biggest private equity firms out there. Stock right now is trading at 33.60, closed at 33.55, but this will be on our radar today. Even though it's not moving right now, it will once the opening bell rings a little bit later. Let's take a look at Charles Schwab. SCHW is the ticker symbol there. Stock is trading at $27.64, closed at $27.78. Schwab is having a tough time getting out of its own way this morning, but nothing terrible here the way it's trading right now, but we will be watching this one as well. United Healthcare, UNH. This stock is also trading after earnings, closed at 122.07. Right now it's trading at 120.5. Right now when I look at this stock at the moment, it's not having a huge gap down, but it is telling us that it could be in play this morning. So traders want to be aware of it. I am seeing right off the bat some support right around 117.5. Intraday support only. So keep that on the radar. Support around 117.5 intraday. So keep that on the radar. Let's take a look at Winnebago, WGO. I don't know what the earnings were, but I do know they had them. Stock is trading at $20.12. This is basically where it closed, so there's no real after-hour activity yet. But keep this one on the radar. If this stock falls, $15 would be a buy level, so keep that on the radar. If the stock does fall, $15 would be a buy level. Again, there's still a lot of support intraday right around the $17 area. But the big level that I like for Winnebago would be around $15. Now, why do I say that? It's so much. It's about 5 points lower because on earnings days, these stocks can fall further than most people think. Next one up, we're going to take a look at Garmin, GRMN. I'm going to give this as a freebie. Right now, the stock is showing some support at 32.60. After that, though, I do have the next key support level, and I will give that out in the intraday stock chat room. So I'm showing some support at 32.60, but after that, I do have the next major support level for a bounce. We will be looking to play Garmin today. That will be on the radar. Goldman Sachs reported earnings today. Stock is trading at 176 $176.96, closed at $179.51. So this is trading lower. Now Goldman has a big daily chart support level a little bit lower, right around the, I believe, the 167.50 level. We're not looking for that. We'll watch around 172. 172 will be a big level for Goldman. But either way, we'll be watching this and keeping it on the radar. This is a major broker dealer. So again, Goldman is trading lower before the opening bell. Seagate, STX. This will be a gap play today. This stock is getting hammered to the third degree. So any way you slice it or dice it, it closed at $47.80, now trading at $41.20. Seagate is absolutely getting pummeled here, but we have levels, we have gap levels. This will be a gap play today. In sympathy to Seagate, you always watch WDC, Western Digital. This stock is also getting hammered, closed at $83, now trading at $79.40 in sympathy to Seagate. Next up, we have Citigroup here. Citigroup is trading higher, decently higher. I have gap levels for that. I will post those up in the intraday stock chat room as well. So we have a lot of different equities out here, and it's going to be one heck of a trading day. Earnings season's underway, so we're going to get earnings galore each and every day, so be prepared. Right now, the S&P 500 futures are still trading higher by 9 3/4 points. They are off their best levels of the day, but nonetheless still higher on the session. So we'll see how this market plays out and shapes out once the opening bell rings. Remember, it is Options X. A lot of game playing will go on. Yesterday in the intraday stock chat room, it was just a blockbuster day. So if you want to trade alongside of us, take a 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat. You get to do everything that we're doing. I think ultimately we had about 9 or 10 or maybe even 11 trades yesterday. I forget. It was so many. It was just rapid fire. So again, we're expecting more fireworks today. Come on over, trade right alongside of us, and you'll see everything that we're doing. All right, with that being said, everybody have a great trading day, and we will see you on the charts.